Hey everyone, and welcome to week 13. This week we are going to be talking about melody. So, melody is a new word for us this week, and the melody can move three different ways. Melodies can go up, they can go down, or they can stay the same. And we'll be talking a lot more about that after Thanksgiving. But this is our staff, and you may have one of these if you got one of the instrument kits at the beginning of the year. If you're new to our school and need an instrument kit, let me know, and we will make sure that you get one. You can also create your own, because eventually we are going to have 5 lines to our staff, because the normal staff, where we write music, has 5 lines and 4 spaces in between, and we'll be talking more about that later. For now, if you have the one that has 2 lines or the one that has 3 lines, then you're doing great. I'm going to be using the one that has 3 lines for today. So if you notice, the melody that I'm showing you now using our beats is going up. So it's going from low to middle to high. And if you don't have these little hearts or little circles, you could cut up some little circles. You could use some pieces of dry cereal. Maybe you have some little those little mini erasers or something you could use small that you could put onto your staff at home. So if you happen to have your staff at home and you want to do it today, if not, that's okay. You can just watch for today and then we can prepare that for next week. So we're going to start down low, and then this is going to be called Mr. Middle. And then this is going to be our high line for now. So this one's going from low to high. But then if I move this guy right here and this guy right here, now they're all in the middle and they're all on the same pitch. So this would be same, same, same. Then I could start out high. I move this one down low, and we're going from high down to low. So we're going to talk all about the way melodies move. So they can go from low to high, high to low, or they can stay the same. All right, so here's what we're going to do. You can listen to your song of the month. And then we've got a new song called Thanksgiving at Our House. And Thanksgiving is going to look a little different this year for a lot of us. Like my family's not able to get together except for my immediate family because of the coronavirus. And so we're keeping each other safe. And we also I've got some relatives in New Mexico, and they can't get here. But we're still going to get together online. We're going to talk on the phone, and we're going to talk about what we're thankful for and thanking them for being important to us. So the first part of this song actually has a melody that goes up. Everyone's coming to stay. They've been driving all day. When you hear that melody, I want you to move your hand and make your hand follow the words. Everyone's coming to stay. They've been driving all day. Every time you hear the melody go up, make your hand go up to follow the melody. All right, let's go ahead and look at the next. This activity is called Same or Different Gets the Turkey. Basically, all you're doing is listening to tell if the sound is the same or is it different between the two. So we'll play one. Then we're going to listen to the second one. So did those sound the same or did they sound different? And I think so. It's different. So we can check to see if we're right. And Mr. Turkey comes out to tell us if we got it right or not. And if we didn't, it's okay. We go back and we can recheck it, reset it, and do it again. Then right here, this red arrow will let you go on to the next one. So there are 12 patterns for you to choose if you think they are the same or different. Once you finish that, you're going to come back down to this next arrow. And there's a story about giving thanks. And you can click either box. It's the same story. One of them has the text written out on it so you can watch the words. Then we're going to click next. There's some questions about the story, and it'll read the question to you right here. And then here's your exit ticket for this week. So this is what you'll submit. So remember, you're going to click Start. It says, what are the ways that a melody can move? And we just talked about that. So is it up, down, backwards, and roll over? That you would click this one. Or is it B, up, down, or stay the same? And then we're going to click this button again, and then you'll submit. When you see the orange button, you'll click submit. So click the orange button, and then there'll be a green button that comes up for OK. Then you are done for this week, and you can check off your checklist. Did you watch this video with Miss Murphy? Then you can check it. Listen to the Thanksgiving at Our House song. Play Same or Different Guess the Turkey. Listen to the Thanksgiving story. Complete the exit ticket and submit. And then I just put a note here that says everything after the exit ticket is extra and not required. So I'm going to just go through those things real quickly so you can see what they are. This is Turkey Tom rhythm practice. Turkey Tom, when he was one, he played rhythms on a drum. And then this is going to be ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, ti, ta. And you'll hear them clapping or tapping. So just like we've been talking about, a ta has one sound on a beat. Here's your beat. And it has one turkey, so that's ta. When you see two little turkeys, that's TT. So practice along with that song if you would like. Again, that's extra, but I think it's fun. And then there's another song called the Thank You Song. So I hope you enjoy this week's lesson. If you have any questions, make sure you message me or have a grown-up message me, and I will talk to you all again soon. Have a happy Thanksgiving. I'll have some fun activities next week, some songs, sing-along songs if you would like to, but it's not required. Next week is catch-up week. I hope you have a great week.